Good morning kahit hindi na morning! What's up everybody? Welcome back. Alam nyo ba, nakakaloka. Like, akala ko Wednesday pa lang today. Tapos, pagtingin ko doon sa tracker ko, sa health tracker ko, nakalagay letter T. Sabi ko, wait. Si Boba? Thursday na, di na-realize. Pero may mga ganun times ako. And aminado ako doon. Na may mga times na nakakalimutan ko, ay Thursday na pala, ay Wednesday na pala. Like, the days are apparently faster when you get older. The heck? If you think time is passing you by, it's your mindset that you need to change. Okay, that's one thing I learned. Kasi, I learned to just like stop and smell the flowers or touch grass if I feel everything is going too fast for my liking. Kasi dati, I like it fast and furious. Like, I'm going to be very honest, now that I am older, I have learned how to slow down. Like, dati kasi kaya ko yung kind of things, like learning-wise. Now, I'm like, wait. I'm going to be very honest that when I was younger, I tend to do things very fast. Like, I want it fast. I want it to be done now, kind of fast. But now I've learned to just like, stop, wait, they don't love you. Like, ay, mali pala. And it's okay to, like, keep pace with everyone. But again, life is not a race. Okay? Always remember that. This is your reminder to slow down. Pa-weekend na rin. Mag-slow down ka na, be! Tama na! Masyado ka ng hustler. Diyos ko rin. If you keep hustling and hustling and hustling, grinding and grinding without slowing down, you would be surprised how much you've missed in life. I realized that quite late when I was like in my late 20s. I'm like, oh, there are a lot of things I haven't done except just hustling and grinding. Take it from me, I am nearing my 40s and I am just like now enjoying a lot of my life because I've learned to slow down. Okay? This is your sign to slow it down, baby girl. Okay? Yun lang. Love you. Mwah!